It's a glorious day here at Cabinet Joint. I'm Justin, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about range hoods. Now, we offer Stanisci hoods, and they create a beautiful hood. You can get it paint matched with the rest of your cabinets. Another great option is using a cabinet to create your custom range hood. I'm going to tell you a little secret. This is a base cabinet that's been repurposed and reoriented a little bit. For accessibility purposes, we are using Aventos HK lift hinges here. That way you are able to get into your cabinet, you are able to do any maintenance that you might need to on your actual vent. It's easier then to install your vent as well. And we've carefully thought through this. So there's a matching interior in this cabinet, reason being anything that you will see underneath, there won't be that birch plywood that you'll see. It'll be matching to the rest of your cabinets. Speaking of matching interior, you'll notice that we flipped the bottom of our cabinet to where now it's a raw inside and a finished bottom. Reason being, you're never going to use or look inside of this cabinet. This is purely to have your vent accessible in there. But on the bottom, you could very well see any part of the cabinet that's left from your cutout after you install your vent. This cabinet has flush ends, reason being that those sides will likely be exposed once it is installed. Along those flush ends, you can wrap this around with beautiful trim. We have a plethora of options in our catalog, and then you can use that trim to create a really beautiful custom range using a cabinet. Another option that you might prefer would be an arched bottom or any other sort of bottom. I just recommend you talk to your cabinet coach about that. In this instance, the customer chose to go with a solid extended bottom rail here, reason being that they are going to get a light rail and then another line of trim that wraps around it. When it comes to ranges, an important detail is to know what vent you are going to have. Reason being, there are thousands of different vent options you can go with, and they're all different size, all have different specs. So we, as cabinet coaches, need to know what size your vent is in order to then properly size your cabinet. So make sure you work with your cabinet coach, sharing those details on your range. That way we can get the proper measurements, including your width, your length, and your depth, and then we can properly size your hood range cabinet. So in closing, using a cabinet as your range hood can be very beneficial to you because it's more cost effective than other options, and you can still have all the customization using trim, sizing, bottom rails, all of these different options create a custom range hood that fits your style and fits your needs. So if you have any more questions, you can reach out to your cabinet coach or call us at 888-211-6482. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.